Okay, so next one is also very interesting and also unexpected, right? What is it? Sunglasses. One should not go outdoors with um, ordinary sunglasses on Shabbos, since he might remove them upon reaching the shady area and then carry them for a distance of 4 cubits. Right. So, but we did like in the beginning of these chapters, uh, we said that you're not allowed to transfer from one domain to another, and plus you're not allowed to carry for 4 amos, right, in a public domain or carmelis. Okay, so meaning that we're afraid that that person would walk and it was like would be sunny and the glasses are needed, and then it would be shady area with like very like dark and person cannot see, right? Suddenly cannot see, right? And would be tempted to remove the glasses and walk for amos, which is a problem. Okay, carry distance 4 cubits. Furthermore, it is questionable whether sunglasses can be considered a garment, since they are worn only occasionally. So occasionally, right? One who needs glasses to protect his eyes for sunlight should consult halachic authority. So, meaning in some cases, yes, we allow to person like with very sensitive eyes, right, to wear sunglasses. Meaning some people are so sensitive even to the light, even without sun, to sunlight, needless to say, but even in light outdoors. So they would wear these glasses. Right, so and most likely they never would take them off. So in this case, yeah, we would allow. But other people who just wear them for fashion and to look cool or something. So for this reason, it's absolutely not allowed. Not allowed to go in sun with sunglasses on outdoors on Shabbos. So continue about sunglasses. Glasses that have tinted lenses and thus serve also as sunglasses may be worn on Shabbos, subject to the rules set forth above concerning ordinary glasses. It is also permitted to wear glasses with a photo gray lenses. There is lenses that turn dark when exposed to sunlight, subject to the preceding rules. Okay, so before we continue, so let's see. So if it's like regular glasses, but it says it's an option where when you order glasses, so there is they can give it to you like tinted a little. So it's not like a pure like crystal white, like crystal clear. It's actually with somewhat darker. Okay, right, someone darker. Okay, or photo gray. So photo gray is a technology when you go outside, when you go like when you expose to light, so it's automatically becomes darker. So I mean it's self-adjusting. So the lighter the outside, the darker the glasses are. Okay, lenses, not glasses, lenses. Okay, no problem. So these things are no problem. So it's not like you're painting something, you just use it in a normal manner. Okay. Okay. So those are not considered with sunglasses. It's a regular glasses that becoming darker when they're exposed to sunlight, to light. So next one is a problematic, right? Unfortunately, right. Which is the topic is broken glasses, right? If the temple becomes disconnected from the one's eyeglasses, it is forbidden to wear the glasses outdoors on Shabbos, so without a temple. So some people think, yeah, well, what is the problem? Like just put it on your nose and that's it. It's you know what? It's not working out. So, I had a few times glasses like broken up on me, right? and I was trying to use it with the one temple. It's not working out. You turn your head to the left, to the right. That's it. It's off completely. Right, so that's why I always say not allowed to wear such a glasses on Shabbos outdoors. The reason is that we are concerned the glasses might fall off, and the person will carry them 4 cubits in the public domain. Like for example, they fell into the dirt or something, like into the mud. Now a person does not there's nothing to clean the glasses with, or the glass itself. Let's say have spots of mud. You're not going to put it on your face. So guess what? You're going to be forced to carry it, right? Which is a problem. Furthermore, people might ridicule him, and he will then be inclined to take them off and carry them, right? And the same be said with the shoes, one shoe or something, right? So that's why we're not allowing person to go with broken glasses. However, is the temple is placed replaced by a string, it is permitted to wear glasses outdoors. Temple replaced with a string in olden days. So I mean, some people would do, right? Like string going all the way around the head. It's very, very unfortunate, but that's what it is. So we're afraid if there is a screw, so of course we're afraid that person is going to fix it. So we have to be very careful with these glasses. So make sure, always, you have maybe another spare pair. So I have, for example, I always have a spare from my previous prescription. Yeah, maybe it's not as good, and maybe it's worn out, this and that, but at least in case of the need, because if you order the new ones, it can take you like few weeks until you get it. So right, so you always need something spare. Okay. Continue. So number 5, contact lenses. I mean, okay. The contact lenses have the same halacha as regular glasses. Some poskim recommend that the person who is not accustomed to wear contact lenses should not wear them in public domain on Shabbos, since he might become uncomfortable and remove them while outdoors and carry them 4 cubits in the public domain. So as everything else, in Shulchan Aruch says it's absolutely forbidden for a person to wear a new shoes on Shabbos, right? Why? Because in olden days, like in my days, you buy shoes, you're going to get bruises for, I don't know, 1 month, 2 months for sure, guaranteed. That's because the leather was leather or not leather was such a low quality. So it was a disaster. So but during the weekday you can remove it, you can do some other things, but not on Shabbos while you walk in to shul or from shul, right? Same with this contact lenses, right? So if you did not get used to them, so. Right, so don't start wearing them on Shabbos or even a few days on Shabbos, because sometimes this irritation starts after a week or two, right? So try to first do it on the weekdays, and then see if you're absolutely normal, right? If you can handle them on Shabbos, no problem. Right. But we've always try to if somebody asks me whether to wear this. Lenses or not, so I always recommend people to wear glasses. It's much more safer for the eyes, and I unfortunately I know many examples when people got infection in their eyes for no reason whatsoever, because they want to have style with this lenses, and it's dangerous to stick something into your eye. Okay, and plus, I think even money-wise, it costs much more than glasses, right? Okay. Okay. And plus, even somebody is about to style, so buy yourself different styles, and that's it, right? Different colors. Okay.